With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The given question says that if x plus 2 and x minus 1 are the factors of x raised to the power 3 plus 10x raised to the power 2 plus mx plus n, then the values of m and n are respectively. So we are given that x plus 2 and x minus 1 are factors of this polynomial, and then we are supposed to find out the values of m and n. So let's do this question. We are given the 4 options. Out of these 4 options, we are supposed to choose one. Now let's do it. So before doing this question, let us first understand what the factor theorem says. Factor theorem says that if x minus a is a factor of a polynomial in x, then what this means is that x minus a is equals to, if we put x minus a is equal to 0, find the value of x from there, put this value of x in place of x in the polynomial, then this should give us a 0. If we get a 0, then we will say x minus a is a factor of polynomial. Now the question itself is saying that x plus 2 and x minus 1 are factors of this polynomial. Now let's denote this polynomial by px. So let's consider first factor. First factor is x plus 2. Equate it to 0. Find the value of x from there, that is minus 2. Then put this value of x minus 2 in the polynomial in place of x and equate it to 0, because the question itself is saying that x plus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. So now we will have x raised to the power 3 plus 10x raised to the power 2, x raised to the power 3 plus 10x raised to the power 2 plus mx plus n plus mx, x is minus 2 plus n is equals to 0. Minus 2 raised to the power 3, because the power is odd, so we will have minus 8 plus 10 multiplied by minus 2 raised to the power 2, because the power is even, so we will have plus 4 plus m multiplied by minus 2 will give us minus 2m. Minus 2m plus n is equals to 0. This will give us minus 8 plus 40 minus 2m plus n is equals to 0. On solving it, we will get 40 minus 8 is 32. So minus 2m plus n is equals to minus 32. This is our equation 1. Now let's move to the other factor, which is x minus 1. Now equate the factor x minus 1 to 0. Find the value of x from there. Put this value of x in place of x in the polynomial and equate it to 0, because the question itself is saying x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial. Now putting x is equals to 1 in the polynomial, we will get 1 raised to the power 3 plus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 10x square, that is 10, 1 raised to the power 2 plus mx plus n plus mx, x is 1 plus n is equals to 0. Now this will give us 1 plus 10 plus m plus n is equals to 0, which will be equal to m plus n is equals to minus 11, because 10 plus 1 is 11. Let's name this as equation 2. Now if we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, let's subtract equation 1 from equation 2. We will get m plus n, because the left hand side of the equation 2 will be subtracted, or left hand side of the equation 1 will be subtracted from the left hand side of the equation 2. So we will have m plus n minus 2m plus n minus 2m plus n is equals to minus 11 minus 32, minus 11 minus 32. Now we will have, on solving it, we will get minus 32 is 32 minus 11, m plus n minus 2m will be plus 2m, minus plus n will be minus n, plus n will get subtracted from minus n, and we will have m plus 2m, that is 3m is equals to 32 minus 11 is 21. So m will be equal to 21 divided by 3, which will give us m is equals to 7. So the value of m is 7 in this question. Now we are supposed to find out the value of n. Now let's find out the value of n by putting m is equals to 7 in equation 2. So put m is equals to 7 in equation 2. In equation 2, now equation 2 says that m plus n is equals to minus 11. M plus n is equals to minus 11. Putting m is equals to 7, so we will have 7 plus n is equals to minus 11. N will be equal to minus 11 minus 7, so n will be equal to minus 18. Now this is our equation. This is our value for n, that is minus 18. Let's go to the option. So according to us, m is equals to 7 and n is equals to minus 18. Now let's check which of the options is correct. Option A says that m is 5, n is minus 3. Option B says that m is 17, n is minus 8. Option C says that m is 7 and n is minus 18. So this is the correct option and our answer to this question. Let's solve. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.